Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to change the sold out text on product pages in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store. On your current active theme, click the three dots icon next to the Edit Theme button and select Edit Default Theme Content. In the search bar at the top of the content editor page, type sold out and press enter. Scroll down to the product section, find the input field labeled sold out and delete the default text. Type your new custom phrase like out of stock, restocking soon, or vaulted directly into the empty field. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the sold out text on product pages in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.